Hello everyone. So today we will be creating a spreadsheet where student can just key in the password here, okay? And you want the grade to just appear for that particular students, okay? So in order to do that, you need to get ready with a set of this first, okay? Of course, you need the grade for each of the students, okay? This is what you need. And you also need to collect password from students, okay? Only these students would know his or her password, okay? So once you get these two things, the grade, of course, is from the lecturers, and also the password from the students, then you can do the subsequent step, okay? So what you can do now is you make sure the list is actually arranged in accordance to the name, right? Then what you can do is you can copy the password, right? Copy the password and put it in cell A as instructed here, step 1. Okay, copy paste in cell A. Okay, so in this case, what I should do is, so this is the password for each of the students that they shared to you, okay? Then you must make sure this column A and column E is always white in color. All right, so you just you highlight column A and column E, put it to white. Okay, that's step number 2 here. After that, please hide column A. So you just right click column A, click hide. Okay, that's step number 3. Once you have done that, please click all cell. This is how you can click all cell. And then right click, or you just press Ctrl+1. Go to format cell. Please make sure lock and hidden is ticked, right? Because you want to make sure it is locked. Then you click lock. You click OK. Okay, you want to lock and you want to hide all the cells. Okay. Then you want students to be able to edit or to key in their password in this column D. Right. So what you have to do is you have to highlight cells that you want students to be able to edit. Again, right click, go to format cell. This time you're gonna unclick lock because you don't want it to be locked. Okay, then you click lock again. So now we are at step 5. Step 5 is completed. All right. So now you're gonna lock the whole sheet. You're gonna just right click the sheet that you're gonna protect. Click protect sheet. And now don't click or unclick anything. It should be by default, select lock cells and select unlock cell. Okay, just key in your password, and then you have to re-key in the password just to make sure you key in the right one in the first place. Click OK again. Now you have locked the sheet. Okay, we are now at step 7. Step 7 is completed. You should check. Okay, for example, can you edit anything other than column D? Okay, so for example, column D, can I click anything? I can. Now, because the password is wrong for this row, there is no grade appear here. Okay, and students cannot look at the grade. So if let's say you key in the right password, for example, this password is Sophie, it will appear that grade for these students. Okay, so every student should know their password and the grade will appear accordingly. If the password is wrong, you wouldn't be able to correct. They wouldn't be able to see. Okay, so for example here, it's the wrong password. Okay, so that's how you should check before you share these sheets to students. Okay, that's how you can make a spreadsheet or an Excel where students can just key in their password, and then that's how they can check their password only to them. It will only reveal to the people who know the password. That's all for today. Thank you very much.